welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. In this video, we're going to talk about finding slope. There's a bunch of different ways they can pose this question, so I wanted to give you one of several ways they can ask it. So the slope, m, is rise over run. There's the formula. Some people even write it as delta y over delta x. That's what that triangle means. It means delta. It means the change in y over the change in x. So here's a bunch of different ways they can say, find the slope. So if it's from a graph, we do rise over run. So how many am I rising? I've got a point right here and I've got a point right here. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to run to the left, 1, 2. So that's -2. So -3 over a positive 2. Or you can write it like the negative on top, the negative on bottom, or you can write it with the negative out front. They're all the same. Do not make them improper or mixed numbers. Leave them improper and do not make it a decimal. 99.9% of the time, you're probably going to see it as a fraction, and it's okay if it's improper. Now, if it's an ordered pair, we do this rise over run, but we have a formula for that. Now, I kind of learned a little trick, and I do down, up, then subtract. It ends up giving you this exact same formula. So this goes down, the -4 goes up, the 6 goes down, the 3 goes up, and then we subtract. -4 minus 3 is -7. 0 minus 6 is -6. We do want to reduce always, but we're going to leave it as an improper fraction, okay? We're going to leave it that way. If they give us the equation, so like number 3, this is y equals mx plus b. This is slope-intercept form when the y is by itself like that. The slope is the number in front of your x. So for this one, the slope is just 9. For number 4, this is in standard form. You could solve for y and then just look for the number in front of x. That's totally allowed. But there's a little trick. The opposite of a over b. A is the number in front of x. B is the number in front of y. So 3 is my a, -6. Careful, this is my whole b. It's -6. Careful, negatives, they get you. So let's plug this in. We've got a negative in the formula. -3 over -6. Always reduce. That can be divided by 3. So we get 1 over 2. Negative divided by negative is a positive. So the slope for that's going to be 1/2. Then from here, if we're asked to find the equation of a line, we can use this on our parallel and perpendicular things sometimes. So we had to find the slope of this line, and if it's a parallel slope, we know it's the same. If it's the perpendicular slope, it is the opposite reciprocal. And we know there's a 1 because 9 is the same thing as 9 over 1. So when I flip that over, there's a 1 on the top. So same thing down here. The parallel slope is going to be the exact same, but the perpendicular slope is the opposite reciprocal. We don't write the 1 on the bottom, we just write -2. So once we have our slope, whether it's just find the slope and use that to write the equation, or if we need to do parallel and perpendicular, ta-da, here we go. We found it, and now we can use it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We would love to set up some tutoring sessions with you with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.